My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware type infection that is called Donkeyf, and then another swearing word is used in the name. Of course, I'm not going to say it because YouTube would probably accuse me of spreading those words, so I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, the ransomware is extremely dangerous, and it encrypts files that people store on their computers. You can now see that before the ransomware attack we were able to open any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documents pretty easily. But unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Donkeyf ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. And because of such vulnerabilities, this ransomware may encrypt and damage all the files that people store on their hard drives. So when people open the specific file, they get the message saying that Windows cannot open this file with this Donkeyf extension. Now, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery. It reveals this ransom note. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored, so don't pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner. You may obtain its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then begin researching your system by clicking on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, including this Donkeyf ransomware. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware, which allows you to add certain folders that will be always protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. The scanning itself will take some time, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of threats. So even though some threats can be removed manually, we recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.